Hi, I am teacher Mary Beth, and I'm happy to be part of Preply's teaching community. I am from the beautiful country, Philippines. I have been teaching for 23 years, and within that experience, I spent 6 years teaching English. I believe learning should be simple, fun, and tailored to each student's needs. I create a comfortable and supportive environment where you can ask questions, practice without fear, and make real progress. Whether you are a complete beginner or want to improve your skills for travel, work, and exams, I will design lessons just for you. I enjoy working with students of all ages and levels. My classes are interactive, practical, and focused on your goals. We will use real examples, interesting topics, and activities that make learning enjoyable. So if you are looking for a dedicated and patient tutor, feel free to book a trial lesson and let's start your learning journey together.